another mini tutorial from Upvc Spares for Repairs. Today we're going to have a look at our new range of 70mm PZ door handles. This is the sprung version. This is the old handle that we've had in stock for a long time, and unfortunately, because of the depth of the plate, it was always impossible to offer a spring because it simply couldn't fit inside. So working with our suppliers, the new handle has a slightly different design which will allow a spring to be accommodated within the handle. This is a 70mm PZ centre handle, 70mm from the centre of the square where the handle goes through down to the centre of the circle where the key is inserted. And thank you so much for watching.